National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 90, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Pennsylvania: Bedford, Cambria, and Somerset. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 90 has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following counties: Bedford, Cambria, and Somerset.